is a very ominous reason, clearly, for Secretary Boying to become the next ombudsman. It's the new phase in the effort to get rid of VP Sara before 2028. And since the PI failed, the impeachment failed, therefore the third attempt is lawfare at its very worst. Imprison Inday Sara, all the Duterte allies, including myself, perhaps, to be harassed by cases with the new ombudsman. Plunder will be the name of the game, no bail, and imprisonment until 2028. I will be very, very surprised kung aabot si VP Sara na malaya kapag naupo itong uri ng ombudsman.
True Lies.